Hi friends! Today's video I would like to show you how to make banana orange bun cake. So first we are put butter to our pan. So sorry to my English because I'm not very good in English, but I will do my best, okay? I brush melted butter to my bun pan. Then I put a little bit of a flour. Then I spread it. Then I will tuck the excess. I will tuck. What is the English of tuck? Tanggalin. Remove the excess flour to our bun pan. Okay. So yeah, I will tuck remove the excess in my Then first we are preheated our oven to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, down, and then 170 degrees to 180. Okay, it depends to your oven. Okay, then I make timer, 60 timers, okay, and then I leave it. So when my oven is preheated, I will I will what is called of that, crush my orange. So we need a skin only, okay? Don't put the white one because the white one is mapait. What is English of mapait? Better, no? Okay, then I squeeze it into juicer. Okay, galing ko na talaga mag-English. Then squeeze all the two orange. Okay. So ayan, squeeze na natin. And then I want to make shout out to all my friends, new and old. Oh, galing ko talaga mag-English na. Okay, squeeze. Then the juice we put together and the ating cake. So we put together to our cake. So I measure it 200 ml. I think 200 ml, the two juice. Then I have mixer. If you don't have mixer, it's only hand mixer. It's okay, hand mixer. Then I put the butter, 1 stick, only 1/2 cup that one. All my ingredients was room temperature. What is the room temperature? The temperature in your kitchen or inside the house, not inside in your ref. Okay, inside the house or inside to your kitchen. So that's it. Then the mixer is rolling. You can put 1 cup of your brown sugar until your butter and sugar was spilled. The color is spilled. Like the color is change the color like that. Okay, I'm sorry to my English, but I hope you understand me and I understand you. I have 3 eggs. I put 1 egg at a time, means 1 by 1. So this is your cake was so fluffy and really soft like that, soft and fluffy, moisture like that, I think. Okay, so roll, mix until done. Okay, until the mixture is complete. So I have my overripe banana and I put this also. So no more sayang banana, no waste banana at all. You can seal it in your neighbor. Then I put my zest, the orange zest, and the juice will put together. So this is my all-purpose flour. I sip it. Okay, we make sala-sala. in English, sip, sip, sip. And then, like that. Okay. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1 teaspoon baking powder. And 1 teaspoon, what is that? Baking soda, baking powder, and cinnamon powder. Okay. Then you can mix together. Okay. Don't over mix because if you over mix, your cake was very hard. Okay. So if you see your cake was complete mix, no more buo-buo, or the flour was no more just like that round basta buo-buo ganon, and it okay na siya. Then transfer it to your baking pan, any kind of baking pan, loaf pan. I have band pan, so I love band pan also. The true in my life was I'm collecting band pan because I'm selling cake also in the Philippines in my neighborhood. So my band pan is very, very good. Okay? I'm sorry to my English, but kaya ko to. So, ayan. Okay. Lahat na yan nandyan na. Yung ating butter ay nandyan na sa ating band pan. Then, don't forget to tap 1, 2, 3. Okay? Tap it. 1, 2, 3. So, the bubbles was going down. Not in the top. Okay. So, shout out to all my friends. Where are you now? Oh, I'm lost. Okay. So, ayan. 1, 2, 3, tap. And then, ayan na yung ating na-preheat ang oven. We put our cake. 40 minutes. Okay. So, if your stick, after 40 minutes, your stick is come out very clean, it means cook na. Very cook na yung inyong cake. Okay. So, tanggalin natin. Hayan. Ganyan kadali magtanggal ng aking cake. Kasi nilagyan ko ng butter and harina kanina, diba? So, napakaganda ng ating cake. So, hayan. Hiwain na natin at you can slice it and then we make timpla-timpla a coffee or tea, whatever you like. Okay. So, thank you so much for watching. And I'm sorry to my English, but I hope I'm improved it after a year. Okay? That's all. Thank you so much.